Welcome to Mera Udyog. Today we will see how to create a careers page. First, go to the dashboard, then navigate to the recruitment module and click on the job openings. Now click on the three dots and select About Company option. Here you can add your company description that will be shown on the public careers page. Now, once done, click on Save button. Next, click on View Careers page. This is your live careers page where the candidates can explore all the open positions, search for jobs, and filter based on their preferences. Now, let's click on any job role. Here, candidates can view complete job details, including job description, job requirements, job benefits, and also the required skills. They can also see salary details and other important information. To apply, simply click on Apply Now button. On clicking, candidates can fill in their details and submit the application. Once applications are submitted, go back to the recruitment module and open the application section. Here you can see all the applied candidates. You can easily move them through the different stages like screening, shortlisted, interview round, HR round, offer released and offer accepted, and also rejected and on hold. If a candidate is selected after the interview process, you can directly add them as an employee. This is shown over here. From interview round, you just move the candidate and then you can onboard him or her as an employee. And that's how you can create and manage a complete careers page in Mera Udyog. Thank you.